guys, welcome back to a new video. If you're new here, my name is Anushka. So today we're going to be doing another quick baking video. I'm going to be making some Chewy chocolate chip cookies. It's just a classic. I've never made these before, so I thought why not do another baking video. I've also been trying to post every single day this week, which has been a little bit difficult, but you guys have been showing so much love and loving my recent videos that I've been posting, so that's really motivated me, and I thought why not do a quick video for today. I did have a deadline at work, so I'm a bit busy and I worked a bit later yesterday, so I was just like, I don't know what to film, but I thought why not do chocolate chip cookies. I love the chewy kind and I'm literally craving it now, so let's just jump straight into the video. I also wanted to do my post notification shout out, and today's one's going to go to Ash Gemini, so thank you so much for hitting that push notification button and for watching my video as well. If you guys want to get one next time, all you have to do is subscribe, press the bell button, and then let me know in the comments below when you've done so, or you can just leave a nice comment. All these baking treats are definitely going straight into my cheeks. Anyways, let's now get into the baking bit. This is just a stain, honestly. It's like a burnt stain on the plastic. It can't come off. But I think this weekend I'm going to make it a task for me to buy new bowls and stuff. So I'm going to do that this weekend. Either I'll go to Tesco and get some, or I'm going to order some online, because I need to do a food shop anyways. But let's start. So first you want to grab some caster sugar. I'll link the recipe that I'm using in the info box as always, because like you guys know, I cannot create a recipe from scratch. Maybe one day. Then we're going to take some packed brown sugar. I have some melted butter here, and I might as well put these in. This is baking soda, salt, and a little bit of baking powder, and you want to mix this all up. Oh, it should become like this. This just looks nice. I think this is what makes the chewiness of the cookie. So I have a fan oven, so I'm going to preheat my oven to 160 degrees Celsius. If you have a normal oven, you can do 180 degrees Celsius. Then I'm going to put some vanilla essence right here. And an egg. That good mix, so it's leaving a little trail, so I'm happy with that. So we can get rid of this now. I just want to eat that. Then I want to get a sieve, and we're going to put in our flour. I'm going to fold this into our mixture. Okay, once you have this kind of consistency, we're going to put in our chocolate chips. So I've already cut up 200 grams of chocolate. This is milk chocolate. I'm really not a fan of dark chocolate, to be honest, unless it's in like a brownie mix when you can't really taste the darkness of it. And you just want to fold this in. To be honest, you can put anything in this. Okay, now I've got my baking tray with some parchment paper. We're going to scoop like little balls of this into I don't want to do them too close together. So now these can go in the oven for 15 minutes and we'll see how they turn out. Now for the fun part, we gotta clean. here's just a little sneak peek of them. I don't know if they're turning out good, to be honest. I don't know, they have glued to each other, but it's okay. Alright guys, these are what the cookies are looking like. They actually turned out really well, but not that presentable. I tried to cookie cut one like this, but it wastes a lot, so I thought just leave them like this. It looks like those Tesco chewy cookies you get in the pack, but they're huge, like they're the size of my hand basically. I've already started munching on one of them because it tastes amazing. Alright, these are what the cookies look like. They are insane. They don't look the best, but they taste amazing. Let's do a close-up. But this is a piece. It's cooked and it's actually really chewy. I think it's the sugar I used. The best cookies I've ever made. I could eat that whole plate right now, I'm not even joking. I'm gonna start eating now. This really tastes like the Pizza Hut cookie dough but better. Anyways, that's the end of this video. I'm so glad I filmed. I'm going to post this tonight. I don't know what I'm going to film tomorrow. From next week onwards, I'm going to do maybe 3. Okay, I've got a lot of reviews. I bought some makeup, so I'm going to chill a bit on the baking because I need to like give my belly a break. Okay. So yeah, thanks so much for watching guys. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. It takes 2 seconds and then you don't miss out on any of my videos. You can press the post notification button if you want to, so that you can get notified as soon as I post. Please leave your comments in the comments below and let me know if you do want to come through the screen and grab my cookies, because they are bomb. I'm telling you, you guys need to do these cookies. They're so simple and they're so good. Anyways, thanks so much for watching guys. Love you lots and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Wait, try it. Just give me your thoughts. Come on. My brother's camera shy, okay? So we're gonna let him try it.
That's really good.
I know, it's so good.
Wait, can you pass me a mug?
Mug? He needs to have milk with it. Alright, I'm going now.